राज्यपाल जगदीप धनखड दार्जिलिङ आइपुगे। एक महिनासम्म दार्जिलिङ भ्रमणमा रहने राज्यपालले दार्जिलिङलाई आफ्नो दोस्रो कार्यालयको संज्ञा दिँदै आफ्नो विगत केही महिना अघि नै दार्जिलिङ आउने कार्यक्रम रहेको बताए। तर त्यस समय राज्यमा चलेको आन्दोलनको कारण आफूले आफ्नो दार्जिलिङ भ्रमणको कार्यक्रमलाई रद्द गर्न परेको पनि उनले बताए। आज अपराह्न लगभग 1 बजे दार्जिलिङ आइपुगेका राज्यपाललाई राजभवनको मूलद्वार अघि गार्ड अफ अनर प्रदान गरियो। जसपछि उनले पत्रकारहरूलाई सम्बोधन गर्दै दार्जिलिङ पर्यटन तथा अन्य विषयको लागि प्रख्यात रहेको बताए।
Is another office of the governor. Coming to Darjeeling is coming to another Raj Bhavan. Even the Calcutta Raj Bhavan is a camp office. So from one workplace to another workplace, your first servant has come. I wanted to come on the last occasion, but because of the agitation in the state, the program had to be changed. I will be spending proportionate time during the year at Raj Bhavan, Darjeeling. I take my visit with great focus, direction, great homework, and is like a pilgrimage for me. I will try to connect with people, all shades of people, all shades of opinions, interact heart to heart with all the stakeholders. This area has enormous relevance from tourism point of view, economic point of view, industry point of view, marketing point of view, and strategic point of view. And I am sure it will see the best period of its development. I will be connecting with the people. My festive greetings to all of you. Wish you the very best. We will be in touch.
कैसा लगा आपको दार्जिलिंग आने से?
I am extremely pleased, very happy and delighted. And more important, I have seen, felt and appreciated the warmth of the people. Their body language is magnetic, very captivating, as captivating as the beauty of the place. It is not without reason that Darjeeling was put at the highest pedestal as Queen of Hills. It is not only on account of beauty of nature, but on account of its rich human resource. A resource that is glorified nationally and globally. A resource whose qualities of head and heart, whose qualities of culture, ethics, dedication, integrity, courage are envied by all and evoke instant respect. I will try to use this tenure, this stay to their advantage. to their benefit. And I have no doubt their expectations from their first servant will fructify into positive outcomes. Thank you so much.
কিছু খবর না